This game is called Press the Button, so let's go. Whee! Hey man, how to play this game? Oh, the title said don't press the button, but you press the button so it's random. Ooh, cool. Coleman123 joins the game. Oh, hi man. Hello? He's been offline since 7 years. Wait, really? Yes, rumor said that he's not been online since 7 years, but he joins randomly. And to this day, they still talk about it. Whoa, I know, right? Now let's press the button. Okay. Boink! Oh, somebody pressed the button, so let's wait. 3, 2, 1. Can't move in 3, 2, 1. Dang it! Ooh! Wow, he takes the rip. Yep. Now let's press the button. Let's go! Boop! Oof! 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 Dang it, that's a black. Oh my god! Alright, I meant that. That's a bad luck. Yeah, I just died. Yep, now let's press the button. Yeah! Boop! Well, here she goes again. My leg! Hey, get back here. Well, I'm time to go. Somebody's the sheriff and somebody's the killer. Ooh! Killer wins! I'm back. I was innocent. How about you? Sheriff. Ooh, that's lucky. Did you win or lose? Lose by that girl. Material girl. Her name is Material Girl. So, yeah, she is so annoying but funny. Ooh, speed. Boink. Here we go, another disaster. Boop. Welcome to Simon Says. Listen to Simon and win. Wait, we have to play Simon Says? I'm bored of that. Just listen. Fine. Jump. Yep. Dang it. Ooh. Dang it. Eliminated the person with your partner. Ooh. Material Girl, hey! Wait a minute, how you're still alive? I don't know. Oof. Alright, time to be back to AFK. Sorry, bro. Oof. You're the winners, you three. You get free boba. Let's go! Yippee! Oh, come on! Alright, the final button. Wait, how are you online again? Sometimes I'm online and I don't want to play, so I'm just gonna be online this day. Okay, hello. Now get the button, yeah! Boop. Well, here we go again. Oof, oof, oof. Well, that's the last button. Alright, so bye. Bye. Wait. No, 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 no. Oof, 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 oof. Thank you for watching this video. Now bye.